Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the HTTPie library for your Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about this library, then it is a library that is designed to making interactions with APIs and web services easier from the terminal. It offers a user-friendly way to send HTTP requests and view responses, and it's also helpful for testing, debugging, and exploring APIs. So let's see how to install this particular library. So in order to install this, you need to head on to the terminal of your Visual Studio's code and type in the following command, which is pip install httpi. Once you have typed in the command, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. And here you can see that it has starting downloading and collecting the packages. Once that has been done, you can see this message which says successfully installed HTTPI version 3.2.4 along with some other prerequisite libraries and packages. So now let's verify whether the installation has been successful or not and the library has been present into our system or not. So in order to do this, you need to type in the following command from the next terminal line, which is pip show httpi. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with some information like the version number as well as the location of this particular library. So that's how we can confirm that this library has been successfully installed into our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.